If your attention feels scattered and focus feels difficult, just stay with us for 5 minutes. This guided meditation is for restoring your focus, attention, and concentration. Sit comfortably and gently close your eyes. Bring your attention to your breath and just notice it. Notice the natural rise and the fall. Each time your attention drifts, bring it back to your breath. This return is the first act of focus. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth longer than the inhale. Thoughts may appear, and that is totally normal. You don't engage with them and simply return to your breath. Now, shift your awareness upwards from the breath to the center of your forehead, behind your eyes. Imagine a sharp, clear point of attention forming there, like a glowing ball of light. While everything else fades into the background. This is your central point of focus. Now repeat. I decide where my attention goes. I do one thing at a time. I finish what I begin. Imagine all resistance fading away from you. Now visualize the next task you need to complete today. Just the next one, not everything. See yourself starting it. See your hands moving. See the work getting done effortlessly. You begin, you stay with it, and you complete it. You are now focused. Take one final deep breath. Exhale, releasing any remaining hesitation. Lock this feeling inside. You are steady, clear, and uninterrupted. When you open your eyes, you move directly into action. Gently open your eyes and begin.